filed caveat against Cyrus Mistry in 3 different courts after he was ousted as the chairman of the Tata Group. Now we have the latest visuals of Cyrus Mistry at Tata House. Clearly, this is a battle that is surely not over yet, with the caveat being filed by Tata Sons. It is, of course, now remains to be seen, in fact, how this pans out in the courts and how this is fought in the legal battle is fought in court. Pooja, my colleague from ET Now, joining us live now. Pooja, so we are being given to understand that these caveats have been filed as a preemptive measure on the part of Tata Sons. And of course, there is an attempt to play safe. The biggest names from the legal fraternity have been roped in. What is the latest that you can share with us?
As we all know that yesterday 4 caveats were filed by the Tata Group. Yesterday also, we know that for the first time there was a statement that was given out by Mr. Cyrus Mistry's office, which clearly said that they are not contemplating any legal standpoint directly at this point in time, and the caveats have been indeed filed against Mr. Cyrus Mistry, and that he has not filed anything yet. But surprisingly, today morning at around 9:45, we saw Mr. Cyrus Mistry for the first time come into work today. As we all know, even though he's not the chairman, he still continues to be the director on the board of Tata Sons. He's at work today. We are not clear at this point in time whether he's here for an all-important meeting with Mr. Ratan Tata. We are waiting for Mr. Ratan Tata to come in. He's apparently expected to come after some time. Most of the CEOs have come in, and it's for the first time since his ouster that Mr. Cyrus Mistry has come to work. And we'll understand, there will be more clarity as the day goes on today, because it's going to be an important meeting today.
Right, Pooja, also the hunt for a new chairman, we are told, is on. At the same time, we must perhaps remind our viewers at this point that it is a case of Cyrus Mistry being clearly cornered, because Tata Sons seems to be unrelenting in the kind of moves that it is making.
Indeed, that is.
Right. Pooja, if you can tell us from here on, what do we expect? I mean, we are told that Ratan Tata had a meeting with the important members of the conglomerate, assuring them that, you know, things should move in the right direction. So there is a lot of upheaval from within, isn't it? It is a big shake-up, to say the least. And the complication here is that he may not be the chairman anymore, but he remains a member of the board. Now, how does that work out?
See, indeed, this has been happening for a long time. Nothing came out of surprise. We all know that, in August, Mr. Ratan Tata, the board had inducted 3 members, of which 2 members are now part of the search committee that is going to find the new chairman in the next 4 months' time. And at present, Mr. Cyrus Mistry is here, but we all know that he wouldn't be in place. So we are still trying to understand what would be the nitty-gritties of his removal at this point in time. But yes, it is very clear at this point in time that people who have been there with Mr. Ratan Tata, for example, TCS MD Mr. Chandrasekaran, and also Ralph Said, the MD of Jaguar Land Rover, have now been put in the board. We understand from our sources that they are being inducted in the board. So that, which really means that people who are the reflection of Mr. Ratan Tata, are on the board of the Tata Sons at this point in time. Also, if you see, there were only 6 board members till August 25th this year. Last year, just a year back, they had included new members, but for over a year there has been no activity, and just in August they induced 3 members, of which 2 members are now part of the search committee. Thus, it was a well thought out move, and now we are all waiting to see what happens from here on the new chairman. But we do understand that the internal members of the Tata Group, Tata MDs, who have performed well, are being rewarded at this point in time. But today the big news is that Cyrus Mistry is at work. He still continues to be the director. We'll see what really happens today. It's going to be an important day.
So is the stage really set for a mega battle, with both parties, of course, planning their moves and, of course, planning their next move very, very cautiously? But like Pooja just reported, Cyrus Mistry is at work this morning.